This is site number 3. Is this site number 3?
Uh-huh. Oh.
Wait, we're concentrating on bears, not moose.
Yeah, I'm concentrating on moose this year. You did not. Yeah, I'm doing pretty good. My moose call, even though that's not the call we're going to be using.
Teach George how to do it.
How's that?
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Kinda. My camera's acting weird. I got it on some kind of a different setting.
I can read on my phone.
I mean, it's fine though. Bait number 3.
Maybe I'll call in a bull.
Great big bog, and I mean huge bog out there. And then if Lily will stop making noise, you can hear Babbling Brook right there. So we got water, cover.
Stop talking.
There's blueberries all around here.
Here, just stop talking. You want to walk over?
No. No, I'm done walking.